going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Shiba Inu today. So right now with Shiba Inu, we are going up on an uptrend, and it is thanks to Coinbase listing Doge. And something that I want to talk about before we keep going with this technicals here. Let's go over here and look at this. We know that Coinbase is actually going to be listing Shiba Inu in the future. They already have it here on the watch list, so they're just waiting for, whatever they're waiting for. I don't know what they're waiting for, but they're waiting for something, and they are going to eventually list Shiba Inu on Coinbase, just like they did with Doge. And that made Shiba Inu jump up today because people know that Shiba Inu could also be released on Coinbase, just like Dogecoin just now got released. And the same thing with Robinhood. Shiba Inu could also be put on Robinhood because we have a petition going on for Shiba Inu and Robinhood. But before we get to that, let's look at these technicals here. So right now, this could potentially be a breakout for Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu can actually potentially break out of this trend line and just go to the moon from here. Same thing with Dogecoin, and possibly with all the other cryptos too. Everything may just kind of take off right now because we have been trading sideways, generally everywhere inside the whole crypto market. But now everything's kind of doing good, everything, even just Bitcoin actually also up here. Bitcoin at 5% for their 24 hours. That's pretty good. And then you have Ethereum at 8%, Binance Coin at 17%. So it's like Dogecoin does good, everything does good, and Shiba Inu does good, everything does good. So that's what we're seeing here. But I think everything might just start to take off again, and it might have been a really good time for everyone to buy those dips. Hope everyone got some more, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu inside of their portfolios. I definitely did. But looking over here at Shiba Inu chart, seeing how it's going sideways. Again, anything could happen. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but yeah, what I predict would happen is we're just going to go up here on this trend line and then just kind of spike out of it. And we are going to have a nice little breakout here in Shiba Inu. So I definitely believe there's about to be a really big spike like there was back here. Like something big is about to just happen. And I mean, it could be Shiba Swap. But remember, when one crypto does good, it kind of trickles into other cryptos. Like when one crypto does good, everything just kind of magically does better. I don't know how to explain it, but it's something that's been going on a lot with crypto. Like Dogecoin gets really good news that's going up, but while that's going up, you also have Binance going up 17% for no reason. I mean, you also have Polkadot up 14%, and then you have Bitcoin over here up for 4%. And everything was going down, before all this, and then out of nowhere, everything wants to go up now that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is going up. I don't know. It's crazy how things inside of crypto are, but it seems like they all follow each other. So one crypto does good, it's good for the whole entire crypto economy. That's how I'm seeing it. But yeah, enough of looking at these charts and everything. We know Shiba Inu is all the way down here right now at the number 30 in market cap, but we are like the number 2 inside of most talked about. So that is still good with Shiba Inu. But we know Shiba Inu is on the rise here. So we have a lot to talk about here with Shiba Inu, with the news of Shiba Inu. So we know Robinhood is actually about to release Shiba Inu. We know Robinhood talked about it. They said they want to, but they said they haven't confirmed anything yet. But we know that they are hearing us. We know that they hear all the Shiba Inu community, because the Shiba army is actually pretty strong here. Looking over here, Shiba Inu was just now listed on a new exchange. Look at this, capital.com right here. This is a global exchange. I'm here in capital.com. I'm gonna have to check it out and see what kind of stuff they're doing here. But new listing, Shiba Inu CFD is now available on capital.com. So this is pretty cool. 76.25% of retail investor accounts lose money. That's what they're talking about trading. But I don't know nothing about the CFD stuff, but I'm not going to touch it. But it's cool to know that they are happy to announce it. As they say, the asset was added to their platform today. Well, yesterday. They're saying June 1st, but anyway, it's the same thing. But looking over here, we know Coinbase has Shiba Inu on the watch list, so you can't actually buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase, but it's on the watch list, which means they know about Shiba Inu. They know it has a huge community. Like even whenever you go over to coin market cap over here, 879,000 people watching. That's a lot of people watching Shiba Inu. So Coinbase is definitely seeing this. This is definitely not going unseen right here. Coinbase definitely knows that Shiba Inu being listed on there would be good for their platform, because a lot of people are trying to buy Shiba Inu. Like if you go and type in Shiba Inu in here, some people will look like where to buy Shiba Inu. They think it's a stock, but yeah, some people are out here trying to buy Shiba Inu. So they know it'll reach 10 cents, like they're saying down here. And then this prediction is right here. They're saying Shiba Inu prediction by 2030 I mean, 10 cents and then 2030, I guess they're right in the right area for the right reason. So 10 cents by 2030, that's what I'm saying. That's where I'm setting it at. We know we're going to go up there with Shiba Inu. I mean, we could get to 10 cents way before 2030 if we have a bunch of Shiba Inu that is actually burned. If more Shiba Inu continues to be burned, then that means that we will reach 10 cents way before then. And then our Shiba Inu that we have now will be worth a lot of money. But yeah, that is just what we're seeing for that. And we know hopefully Coinbase will finally list these Shiba Inu. And the next thing we need to talk about over here. So yeah, this right here, kindly request of Robinhood to lease Shiba Inu coin, already has 87,000 people who have signed up. And there's actually articles talking about this right here. This article right here says petition for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu crypto among change.org's most popular. This is one of the most popular change.org things that they have out there, Shiba Inu. So that is huge right there. So petition calling for the Shiba Inu coin cryptocurrency listed, blah, blah, blah. They're just talking about all this. The petition was created by a user named Tristan Lee 3 weeks ago. So yeah, in 3 weeks. So that is pretty huge right there. We have 86K signatures and we have a goal of 150K. So yeah, if you haven't signed up for that petition yet, do it. It's pretty easy. And yeah, you pretty much just retweet it or something, do something to support it. I've already done it multiple times, but yeah, this petition right here is going to be really good for Shiba Inu getting on Robinhood, because we know that the Robinhood CEO is a big fan of Dogecoin and cryptos. So that would be really cool. And also getting wallets on Robinhood and Shiba Inu at the same time. This is really good for both Robinhood and Shiba Inu. This will help both of us out tremendously. So yeah, we know capital.com right here. This is capital.com. If you haven't seen it, this is the new exchange that we're on with Shiba Inu. But I don't really use it, so I'm not gonna just sit there and recommend it to you. They probably have some affiliate link, but I won't recommend it because I don't use it. But remember, Robinhood, that Robinhood link inside the description. I do use Robinhood. I do use Webull, so check out those links. And yeah, those links are pretty good. I like Robinhood and Webull. And Robinhood will be a lot better when it accepts Shiba Inu and adds a wallet. That is something I will say Robinhood can improve on. But yeah, so Shiba Inu price prediction, 10 cents by 2030 if there's no Shiba burned. If there's Shiba burned, we'll probably be at $1 by 2030 if more Shiba is burned. So that is the outlook for that. So hopefully more Shiba can get burned and thrown out of the Shiba economy. So how about Shiba Inu coin? Hopefully we can finally just get it on Coinbase and Robinhood, so it can be a lot easier for people to get it. But right now you can only get it on certain exchanges. I buy it through Qcoin, so you can either use Qcoin, and if you're outside of the US, you can use Binance, because they don't have the Binance US one yet. So you can only do Binance outside of the US. So that's kind of stupid, but yeah, I use Qcoin, and I know there's other stuff. Crypto.com, I have a link inside the description for Crypto.com. You'll get free $25 if you sign up for Crypto.com. But yeah, you can get Shiba Inu on Crypto.com, and there's a lot more different places that you can get it from. Let's go over here. They probably have all of them. So yeah, Huobi Global, I don't really use them. There's a lot of places to get Shiba Inu. Just saying, there's a lot of exchanges, so just buy off of whatever you're comfortable with and then swap it. Just trade it to a different wallet. So trade like Litecoin or something to a different wallet, and then exchange the Litecoin for whatever you're using. And that's pretty much the easiest way right now until Shiba Swap comes out. But yeah, Crypto.com will probably be your best bet if you're looking for an easy way to get Shiba Inu. The easiest way I would say is Crypto.com. I'm using Qcoin, but for some reason I wasn't able to sign up with I wasn't able to put my bank account inside of there. So what I had to do was sign up with Binance and then send Litecoin to Qcoin, and then I had to buy it through Qcoin. So I had a whole process trying to get it. So that's what I did. And yeah, either that or the easiest way will be Crypto.com. So a lot of different swaps here, as you can see, a lot of different exchanges for Shiba Inu. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Shiba Inu is going to go big. People are asking, is Crypto.com safe? They're about as safe as it gets with crypto, honestly. They actually are a good platform. I mean, even with that domain name, that's such an original domain name, Crypto.com. But yeah, I'm not investing in them just based off their name though. But they do have some good stuff. They do have some errors now. Some people have bought stuff and then it showed a glitch where it showed that they haven't bought it and their money was like not there anymore. So a lot of people have been having glitches with it, so I'm not going to say there aren't any problems with it. So if you don't want to take a risk with that, I guess Qcoin could be your next option, but in order to get it, you may have some difficulties trying to get it. But yeah, Shiba Inu is one of the more difficult cryptos to buy because Robinhood hasn't listed it yet, Coinbase hasn't listed it yet. Whoever gets to this first will be one of the people who help, well, one of the exchanges who help just take Shiba Inu off, like just go help take off. I can't explain it even better than that. It's just Shiba Inu is going to take off for the better, and it's just based on what exchanges come out with Shiba Inu now. Like if Shiba Swap comes out right now, then we would just take off huge. But then if Coinbase listed us, we would take off, but not as far. And if Robinhood listed us, we would take off huge, but not as far as Shiba Swap. But all of them combined will take Shiba Inu close to 1 cent, like almost, like I'm not gonna say completely at 1 cent, but I think around this area will be good for Shiba Inu once Shiba Swap comes out with Robinhood and with Coinbase coming out with it too. So 3 major catalysts coming to Shiba Inu. This is what we're seeing for the future. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video.